Rolling with the halls here. You know, San Angelo, Texas is an awesome place, and almost everywhere we've been in the last few days has been free. And believe it or not, there's still more to see, so let's go. You know, while we're in San Angelo, we have to stop by my alma mater, Angelo State University. I have a lot of memories from this campus, of course, including 2 years I spent playing the bass drum in the Angelo State University Ram Band, and we practiced on this very field. Go Rams! Angelo State University was established in 1928 and was recently listed in Princeton Review's Best Colleges in America for the 12th consecutive year, an honor that places ASU in the top 13% of America's four-year colleges. Things have changed a lot since I graduated back in 2004, but it's still the same beautiful campus. When I went to ASU, I spent a lot of time on this hallway, hosting a TV show and writing for the best newspaper in the world, the Angelo State Rampage. Whether it was marching in the band or writing for the school newspaper, Angelo State is full of wonderful memories that I'll carry with me forever. Hail alma mater, hail blue and gold of ASU. Our next stop is back in downtown San Angelo at the quirky Pop Art Museum. Created by a local nonprofit called Art in Uncommon Places, the Pop Art Museum draws inspiration from the pop art movement of the 1950s and 60s. That's my dad. He lives in San Angelo. The open-air Pop Art Museum is housed in what was once a bowling alley and features art by local artists who were invited to create pieces reminiscent of the pop art movement. We had trouble picking our favorite piece because there were so many great ones to choose from. The colorful and crazy art displayed here brings to life pieces of San Angelo's rich history. The outdoor museum is open 24 hours a day for everyone to enjoy. If you can't tell by now, San Angelo loves its art. Right on the Concho River is the award-winning San Angelo Museum of Fine Arts. In 2003, the museum received the National Award for Museum Services, the country's highest honor for museums. This earned them a trip to Washington, D.C., where they were recognized in a ceremony at the White House. And while you're at the Art Museum, don't forget to visit the Old Town Historic District right across the street. Everywhere you look in San Angelo, you find art. In downtown San Angelo alone, you'll find more than a dozen elaborate murals, all highlighting parts of San Angelo's history. There's things like Fort Concho, Elmer Kelton, Goodfellow Air Force Base, and San Angelo's legacy as a wool and mohair capital. You can find a helpful map online that shows you the location of every mural. Our final stop in San Angelo takes us to the most unique alley in Texas, Paintbrush Alley. Also a project of Art in Uncommon Places, Paintbrush Alley is a large, colorful homage to the 1956 movie Giant, starring James Dean, Rock Hudson, and Elizabeth Taylor. The alley features art by more than 50 local artists. Some of the art is even interactive. On your visit to San Angelo, make sure you take a stroll down Paintbrush Alley. As you can see, there's all kinds of photo opportunities. Well, friends, the sun is setting on our time here in San Angelo. We hope you've had as much fun exploring this beautiful city as we have.
We are rolling with the halls, and we are on to our next adventure. See you next time.